Welcome to FKG Credit Solution Education Platform. I was hired to give you the credit game. So listen up and take notes. I don't care where you are in the world, you can change your life with this information and get on the right track. Please grab a pen, and a few sheets of paper, and remember to take notes for your studies. A credit score is a numerical representation of an individual's creditworthiness and is used by lenders, landlords, and others to assess the risk of lending money or extending credit to that person. Credit scores are typically calculated using various credit scoring models, with the FICO score and Vantage score being the most common ones. While the exact algorithms used by these models are proprietary, the following factors generally play a significant role in determining your credit score. Payment history, 35% of the FICO score. This is the most crucial factor in your credit score. It considers whether you've paid your credit accounts on time. Late payments, missed payments, and defaults can negatively impact your score. Credit utilization, 30% of the FICO score. This factor looks at how much of your available credit you're using. A lower credit utilization ratio, credit use divided by total credit limit, is generally better for your score. Keeping your utilization below 30% is often recommended. Length of credit history, 15% of the FICO score. The length of time you've had credit accounts affects your score. Longer credit histories tend to be more favorable. This includes the age of your oldest account and the average age of all your accounts. Types of credit accounts, 10% of the FICO score. A mix of different types of credit, such as credit cards, installment loans, and mortgages, can positively impact your score. Lenders want to see that you can manage various types of credit responsibly. Recent credit applications, 10% of the FICO score. Opening several new credit accounts in a short period can be seen as risky behavior and may negatively affect your score. This includes credit inquiries, both hard, initiated by lenders, and soft, initiated by you or a third party for informational purposes. It's important to note that there are different versions of credit scores, and each lender may use a specific scoring model tailored to their needs. Additionally, factors like public records, bankruptcies, tax liens, judgments, collections, and negative items on your credit report can significantly impact your credit score. To maintain a good credit score, it's essential to make on-time payments, keep credit card balances low, maintain a mix of different types of credit, and avoid opening too many new credit accounts in a short time. Regularly monitoring your credit report for errors and addressing any issues promptly is also advisable. Thanks. Please like, share, and subscribe. Email us if you need one-on-one help.